Managing complaints and vehicle entry in residential societies can be a hassle. Long queues, missing records, and miscommunication make life difficult for both residents and management. Paper-based complaint management leads to delays and unresolved issues. Unauthorized vehicle entry risks security. Traditional methods just don't work anymore. Introducing the eSociety and Apartment Manager app, your all-in-one digital solution for visitor tracking, guest management, complaint handling, and much more. Experience seamless management with eSociety's secure, role-based login system, designed for residents, administrators, and security staff alike. With paper-free's digital visitor management solution, registering your vehicle has never been easier. Whether it's a car, motorcycle, van, or heavy vehicle, simply enter or scan your number plate, and you're on your way. Effortlessly manage visitor check-ins to guest registration, material in and out tracking, everything is just a tap away. Upgrade your society's management today. Switch to paper-free and experience effortless security and complaint handling. Contact us now.